class the other day. We were learning about social disorders or whatever. There's this one dude who can't think about anything, where he just runs away. And I was walking out into the garage the other day, and I want to pick up a couple of shovels and just start digging my way to China. Have you ever been to the Grand Canyon? I've been to the Grand Canyon before. It's been really awesome. I even been to Niagara Falls, and then I even drove all the way to Kroger the other day, and I bought like 16 rolls of toilet paper. It was awesome. I TP'd this old guy's house. He didn't know it was me, but I told him it was someone else. And anyway, ever had the Ursi cabbage? I have. Do you like carrots? I like carrots too. I don't like Brussels sprouts. They look kind of lame though.
I triple dog dare you not to talk for a whole entire class period.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Do not talk for the rest of the class period.
Okay. Accept it. I'll do it.
Okay.
Starting now?
Yes.
All right.
Right now.
Really now?
Right now.
All right.
I believe it's coming at 8 or 7. Yo, Kesley!
What's up?
What's up? What y'all doing?
No, just chilling.
Chilling.
Yeah,
I saw you roller the other day. Did you brother Taylor?
yeah.
I saw him the other day at the, what's it called, Bass Pro Shop.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Okay.
You got your varsity jacket yet?
Drew, you play football?
No, he runs cross country.
Oh, for real? Oh, okay. Yo, listen, I saw you and your girl going out yesterday. What was wrong? Y'all broken up now? What's up? What's the
You're
story?
getting a little tense, man. Did she break up with you?
Yeah, I think they did. She put changed her status to single.
Oh,
You know what that means, right? Wait, hold up. You know what that means?
she's single.
He's single. I'm looking for another man. We taking my lead.
You gonna let him take your girl like that? Drew, what's wrong with you? Are you constipated?
Hi, Drew. Have a seat. Give me your hand. Has your mom given you the talk yet? About the birds and the bees? By any chance? Okay, I'm guessing she has. And I'm gonna give you that talk. You see, when a man and woman love each other, they embark on a journey. That journey is called, and that's where babies come from. Yeah, that's where me, you, Osama, all of us, that's where we all came from. Hope we had a good talk.
That girl's number, man. That girl's number right here.
Oh, hey, Miss Ball wants to see you. Do you need me to call your mother about this? I asked you a question. Jarrell, do you need me to call your mother? Take that as a yes. Miss Shannon, I've got Jarrell in my office.
Jarrell, how's your mom doing? Oh, really? Cool. Want to answer me? Cool.
Yes!
Did you hear that?
Dude, I did.
What was that about?
That was.
Was that a girl?
Oh my god. Y'all, I bet I know what it was. Okay, so before class, Jarrell was talking a lot, and so I triple dog dared him not to talk.
No way.
The whole class. Dude, that's probably, he lost it. That's what the problem was.
That makes sense.
He completely lost it.
He didn't say anything. I told him I'm getting his girl's number as soon as he's
Yeah,
up. He didn't say
that's
anything
why.
about it.
That's why.
I was wondering he didn't care.
I mean,
Should I go apologize to him? Or something?
I mean, I don't want to do
Well, he lost. I mean, why would you apologize?
I told him how babies were.
I'm gonna.
Oh wow, that's awkward. Oh wow. All right, let's go.